Hello everyone, this is Alvin Tay, Singapore Property Advisor. In today's vlog, I will cover the topic, why should I invest in Singapore property now in 2020? And do remember to click and subscribe the button and ring the bell to get updated on the latest new video from me. Now let's dive in. You can see that in every single major city in the world, prices of property double in approximately every 12 years of. So the best time to invest in property is always a question among investors. Sure, there is ups, there is down, but the best time to get involved is always now, because 12 years from now, you're going to look back and you are going to say that I'm glad that I started on that day. Similarly, Singapore past historical data has shown that property prices always surpasses its previous peak price. And in 2019, Singapore property market has been resilient. The residential primary market sales took out as demand strengthened in the second half of the year, even as trade tension between the United States and China escalated, and the 2019 economic outlook for Singapore dims. According to Business Times, developers sold 29% more new homes in the 5 months between July and November 2019 than they did in the 6 months from January to June 2019. At the same time, the URA, Urban Redevelopment Authority, residential private property price index returned to the growth in the second and third quarter of 2019, wiping out the losses recorded in the 2 quarters prior. This turnaround took place despite the market cooling measure being still in place in Singapore. Residential property market are positioned for brighter prospect in 2020. As Singapore economic activity picks up pace as projected, the buying momentum in the residential primary sales market could be maintained. Developers could also be forthcoming in the launching of new projects to capitalize on the buying interest. So, shall we ride on the momentum? The en bloc fever that happened in 2018 is preventing prices from plummeting. Developers paid insane prices for the land during the collective sales fever. Chinese developers with the deep pocket were happy to pay huge sums and prompt aggressive bid from local counterparts as well. Land at the same time was at 29% premium compared to 2015. The same year, we also see the biggest spike in development charges, DC charges, in around 10 years, further raised costs to developer. Given the already thin margin for developer, there just isn't much room for further discount. Also, we may be seeing a huge mob of upgrader in 2020 to 2021. During the last property peak in 2013, a portion of the buyer upgraded from their HDB flat to private home after their minimum occupancy period, what we call MOP. Not everyone upgrade right after their own MOP, of course, but it's not an uncommon move that adds to the demand for private housing. Now, you know how many flats reached their MOP between 2013 to 2014? About 9,000. Ooh. You know how many flats are reaching their MOP between this year to 2021? That's about 50,000. This could translate to a usually large number of upgrader and gem toilet at show flat. On the investment sales front, Business Times has expected Singapore to ride on the global investors' strong interest for ASEAN real estate, demonstrated by the impressive investment volume garnered in the recent years, including the record US 128 billion hit in the first 3 quarters of 2019. The ongoing political and economic uncertainty around the world, such as Brexit and the protracted trade tension between the US and China, have reinforced Singapore's strength as a safe haven, given its transparency, political stability, relative neutrality, and resilient currency. All things considered, Singapore will continue to be a key market for global investors in 2020. So enter before the rest enter and push up the price further. In any case, if you have the intention to enter the property market, you are welcome to contact me to arrange for a detailed financial assessment and to discuss what are the options possible for you. That's all for today's vlog session. Bye.